Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will discuss Python regex. A regex or regular expression is a sequence or a tool of characters that form a search pattern. Regex can be used to check if a string contains a specified search pattern. So let's see an example of Python regex. So we will start the code script by writing the regex function which will be mentioned through import regex. Then we will write the condition. First condition is check if the string starts with the and ends with Spain. So then next condition will be text is equal to the rain, the actual text, the rain in Spain. And then we will write the variable x is equal to regex dot search bracket and then the whole script which is mentioned here. Then the condition if x is equal to print yes, we have a match, and then else print no match. So because this text has the starts with rain, starts with B and ends with Spain. So in output we will get yes we have a match. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.